All right, I just got this. And I gotta be careful opening it because I don't want to cut the net. So this is for the pool. So I'm just gonna make a little incision here. Right here. And then we can just get her out of its plastic. This is not as big as I thought it was gonna be, but I think it will work. I hope it will. Oh my gosh. Cut right through that. Ridiculous. All this plastic is just, I mean, how many little plastics had to die to make this, to cover this thing? Oh look, there it is. We need that, right? So we gotta cut that. There we go. All right, I think we're good. Oh look, there we go. That's the one we want. And yeah, so this is gonna go on your bar, but this goes in here. So you've gotta squeeze these two together and push it up till it clicks in there like that. You follow me? You know, I'm thinking it goes like this. So then we can scoop this way. You know what I mean, jelly beans? Now we gotta take it outside and put it on our pole. All right, so here's the situation. Here's my old one. I mean, you could still use it, but it's pretty beat up. You know what I mean? It's pretty beat up. So let's bring it over here. And to get this off here, I gotta press these in and then pull it off of there. And they pop out. And I might just hang on to that just as a spare. And then this one here, that one looks like it's a little bit better than this one, but who knows. Let's go ahead and put this in here. We're gonna slide it in, and bam, Bob's your uncle. There you go. Now we're ready to scoop up some leaves. You know what I mean? All right, let's just grab a couple leaves. See how she does. Taking her through her paces. All right, so that works. I gotta get that thing down there. All right, so I got a big leaf down there. Let's get it. Let's get that leaf right there. See how she does. Oh, that worked good. Let's see if we can get this one here. Whoops, missed that one. Oh no, I didn't. Hang on. I thought I missed it. Let's try again. See if I can get it. Oh yeah, that worked. All right, so now I've got some weird, like, let's see if I can get this one. Oh yeah, this works good. I think this is gonna be a good one. All right, so we did good. See, we got our leaves. That worked pretty good. I think we got ourselves a good net for the pool. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.